I'm on the site, the construction site over at Kennestone Hospital. There's a construction crew here that's in the process of building out a emergency facility over at Kennestone Hospital in Marietta, Georgia. Construction company was interested in a cooling station to provide the workers relief from the extreme heat after working. As you can see, it's probably in a very wide open space here where there's no shade, so these guys will really appreciate having this cooling station on the construction site here at Kennestone Hospital. This is Stan with the Mistmasters at Kennestone Hospital in Marietta, Georgia.